In this video, we will explore the top 5 best multi-tool pliers for 2026, highlighting their features, durability, and practical uses for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, and professional tasks. Whether you need precision, strength, or versatility, these tools cover it all. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. NexTool C11 Pro Mini Sailor Pliers. NexTool C11 Pro Mini Sailor Pliers deliver a compact 12-in-1 multi-tool design built for everyday carry. The body measures about 67.3 by 25.3 by 16.1 millimeters and weighs roughly 84 grams, making it easy to attach to a keychain or slip into a pocket without bulk. The construction uses premium stainless steel alloys, including 5 chromium-15 molybdenum vanadium and 8 chromium-14 molybdenum vanadium, which contribute to strength and corrosion resistance. At the core are thickened pliers with a torque rating above 2.5 Newton-meters, offering improved grip and durability for tougher tasks. The tool integrates needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and wire cutters, giving it solid versatility for small repairs and adjustments. Additional functions include scissors, a knife, a file, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and a SIM card needle for mobile use. A spring-loaded mechanism improves ease of use, while the foldable structure keeps everything compact and safe. The glow-in-the-dark block absorbs light and helps locate the tool in low-visibility conditions. The retractable key ring enhances portability, making it suitable for travel, outdoor activities, or quick daily fixes. Pros: compact size, strong pliers performance, versatile toolset. Cons: small size limits, heavy-duty tasks. Tools can feel tight initially. Number 4. SOG 21-in-1 PowerAccess Deluxe. SOG 21-in-1 PowerAccess Deluxe is a full-featured multi-tool designed for everyday carry, outdoor use, and demanding repair tasks. Built from durable stainless steel, it offers a solid and rugged feel while maintaining a compact folding design that fits easily into the included nylon sheath. This model stands out with its 21 integrated tools, making it one of the most versatile options in its category. The key highlight is SOG compound leverage technology, which uses multiple pivot points to deliver nearly double the gripping power compared to standard multi-tools. This results in smoother cutting and reduced hand effort, especially when using the needle nose pliers, wire cutters, or crimper. The toolset includes both straight and serrated blades, a wood saw, can and bottle openers, multiple screwdrivers, a chisel, awl, and even measuring guides. A magnetic hex bit driver adds further flexibility, supporting the included 12-piece bit kit for expanded functionality. The outward opening tools can be accessed without unfolding the pliers, and each component locks securely in place for safe operation. The balanced design ensures reliable performance whether you are camping, fishing, or handling quick repairs at home. Pros: powerful leverage system, extensive tool variety, durable build. Cons: slightly bulky for pockets, learning curve for tool access. Number 3. Wiha 47199 Multifunctional Pliers. Wiha 47199 Multifunctional Pliers combine 6 essential electrical functions into a single insulated tool built for professional efficiency. Designed with German engineering standards, this tool supports stripping, cutting, gripping, bending, and crimping, reducing the need to switch between multiple tools during electrical work. The pliers are rated for up to 1000 volts, offering reliable protection when working with live circuits. The wire stripping function is highly precise, supporting common cable sizes from 0.75 up to 8 square millimeters. Carefully aligned stripping apertures remove insulation cleanly without damaging the copper or aluminum core, which is critical for maintaining safe and effective connections. Dual-sided calibration adds accuracy and ease during repetitive tasks. Cutting performance is clean and controlled, especially for copper and aluminum wires, leaving smooth edges without fraying. The integrated crimping function handles a range from 1 up to 8.5 square millimeters, ensuring secure and durable connections. Additional features include screw cutting, part clamping, and controlled bending, all designed to improve workflow and reduce hand fatigue. The ergonomic handle follows a balanced 200mm design, offering comfort during extended use. High-hardness construction with chrome plating enhances durability and corrosion resistance, allowing the tool to perform reliably even in humid or oily environments. The pointed tip design also improves accessibility in tight electrical spaces. Pros: precise stripping, strong insulation safety, multifunction efficiency. Cons: not suitable for hard materials, slightly premium prices. Number 2. NEXTORCH Pioneer Folding Pliers. NEXTORCH Pioneer Folding Pliers deliver a compact yet highly capable 14-in-1 multifunctional tool designed for emergency response and outdoor use. Built with a solid stainless steel body, the tool combines precision engineering with durability, using advanced manufacturing processes to ensure consistent performance and long-term reliability. Despite its compact size of under 11 centimeters, it integrates full-size functionality for demanding situations. One of the standout features is the large 60mm rescue scissors with a serrated edge. These spring-loaded shears are designed for fast and efficient cutting of fabric, leather, and hard plastics, making them especially useful in medical or rescue scenarios. The inclusion of a dedicated seatbelt cutter and plastic cable tie cutter further enhances its emergency readiness. The pliers are precision machined to provide a strong grip and excellent bite force, supported by heavy-duty wire cutters for tougher tasks. A large knife blade made from 50 chromium 15 molybdenum vanadium stainless steel ensures sharpness, corrosion resistance, and durability. The integrated saw and liner lock mechanism add extra safety and usability during operation. Additional tools are seamlessly integrated, creating a versatile kit suitable for camping, fieldwork, and first responder situations. The tool also features a pocket clip for convenient carry, ensuring quick access when needed most. Pros: powerful rescue scissors, durable build, versatile emergency tools. Cons: slightly heavier than basic tools, complex design for beginners. Number 1. SOG PowerLock Pliers. SOG PowerLock Pliers offer a professional-grade 18-in-1 multi-tool designed for military, tactical, and outdoor applications. Built from 420 stainless steel, this tool combines corrosion resistance with strength and hardness, ensuring reliability under demanding conditions. Its folding design keeps all components compact, while the included nylon pouch provides convenient storage and quick access. The standout feature is SOG's patented compound leverage technology, which multiplies gripping and cutting power while reducing hand effort. This makes tasks such as cutting, crimping, and holding more efficient and precise. The crimper is uniquely positioned within the handle, protecting both the tool and the operator while producing strong, non-flaring crimps. The heavy-duty wire cutter and blasting cap crimper are capable of precise work without weakening the plier tips. The tool integrates a partially serrated blade, double-tooth wood saw, and high-quality scissors for versatile cutting. Multiple screwdrivers, an awl-can opener, bottle opener, gripper, ruler, and 1x4-inch drive expand its functionality, covering both household and field applications. Removable handle covers improve ergonomics, and all 18 tools lock securely for safe operation. The PowerLock is designed to handle tough outdoor tasks while remaining practical for everyday chores. Its durability, compound leverage, and wide toolset make it a reliable choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Pros: strong leverage, versatile 18 toolset, durable stainless steel. Cons: slightly bulky for pocket carry, learning curve for all tools. There you have it, the top 5 multi-tool pliers for 2026, each offering unique strengths for different needs, from heavy-duty work to compact everyday carry. Choosing the right one can make a real difference in efficiency and safety. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below. So let's jump right in.